Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Wednesday, April 11th, 2018. Hopefully you got all of your Blizzard bags turned in today. You've had a total of 3 weeks to get those in, so there should be absolutely no excuses as to why that was not done. In math, in science, social studies, language arts, and in lit, we have no homework this evening. We do need to make sure that we are still reading AR and that you have an AR book with you for testing tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first day of our English Language Arts state test, so it's very important that we go home, we go to bed early, we eat a good breakfast. You can study over the essay types, you can review the packets, but that is very, very important, as well as getting your rest and making sure you eat a good breakfast in the morning. Good luck to all of you on your tests. I know you guys are going to do great. Have a great day.